Look at this. What a team.
So where are you going to?
Katoomba.
What are you wanting to see?
Snow.
Black John, goodbye.
Next stop, Blue Mountains.
Springwood, Westbourne, Katoomba, Handheld, Blackheath, and now Victoria. Yeah, they carried
Door closing. Please turn clear.
Oh, and it's all that.
Okay, we've got everybody?
Yeah.
Now don't forget there's a step down.
The next train to arrive on platform 1 goes to Blacktown. First stop, Lura, then all stations to Springwood, then all stations to Penrith, and then Blacktown.
And we've all got scarves and hat and gloves, so we're all decked up for the weather. And let's go and enjoy it. That's it. Yeah.
Try. And I was like, it's happening, it's happening! And then of course right at the very end they just came hilarious.
Driver taking us down into the Jamaican Valley. Remember to hold on nice and tight to all this and valuable items. Pop your knees up and enjoy the ride. Here we go.
Sure.
God dear.
Daddy? Okay, Daddy.
Imamo i mi dobre pečne.
Mi smo skoro bili po zemlji prije sat vuk. To je šljem, sve.
The steepest cableway in the southern hemisphere.
I wish someone Wait, look at that.
If you haven't managed to catch them already, to our right, the Three Sisters. Beautiful time of the afternoon to catch them. Just catching that nice orange line. As well, in front of us, a great view of Katoomba Falls. If you've been on the Skyway already, we've seen it from above. So you just walk through the temperate rainforest, which we are now above. So the reason that's there is thanks to these cliffs beside us on the left. They protect the forest from the harsh afternoon sun, stops it from drying out, allows it to thrive.
See the walkway there? In the middle of that rock. I'd hate to go up there.
But naturally, 1930s safety standards don't quite match today's. As we go through this tower, we're going to experience an exhilarating swing.
An exhilarating swing we're going to do. Just in a minute. Ready? Exhilarating swing now.
It was exhilarating. It was so calm.
I said it would be exhilarating, not big. So, in my defense, I wasn't lying.
It would have been a gentle.
We've also got Ellie on board as well. As we head on over the top of the Jamison Valley. If you have any questions at all, please do let us know. But we're going to go on a journey together over the top of the Jamison. Now we're going to head out about 3/4 of the way. We're going to stop over the top of Katoomba Falls. We're going to hang around there, swinging around in the wind for a couple of hours before coming back to Scenic World. All saying good to everybody, a couple of hours, yes. Wow. Thumbs up if it is, yeah, there we go, there's a thumbs up, we're staying, we're doing it. No, only joking folks, we'll be out there for about 20 seconds. Lots of things to see as we head on over as the sun starts to set. But first of all, if you're on my shiny disco dance floor in the middle, have a look at your feet. There we go, the pool opening up beneath us. And as we pop over the cliff edge here, 270 metres into the valley floor below. Twice the height of Sydney Harbour Bridge, same height as Sydney Centre Point Tower. As we head on over the top of the valley. Out on the right hand side there, the Jamison Valley, Mount Solitary, that big flat top mountain out there in the middle. Notice the shadow making its way across the valley now as the sun sets behind us. This is, I am a photographer, this is my best time of day to photograph this part of the valley. The beautiful colours showing up on Mount Solitary there, but also over on the Three Sisters, beautifully lit in the afternoon sunshine. Three Sisters there, also have Name, Tringhorn, Kenai, Wimmelo and Gunnedu. Those names come to the mind of Indigenous peoples, Gundungurra and Nauru. They're the traditional owners and custodians of this particular part of the mountains. I mentioned Orphan Rock there, Orphan Rock's on the left hand side of us. As we go on past it there, the sun has set already on this side of the valley. We can still make it out pretty well. Called the Orphan because it stands on its own on this side of the valley.
Really cold though, really cold.
Also, it was a very famous
and there's no window. That's why it's cold.
Juliet's balcony at the top there, that's where the railings are. Good stairs.
Look at that, we're just saying how gorgeous it is and how we're going to come back and do some of the walks. It's beautiful. It's a little, in the summer, yeah. Well no, probably on either side of summer and winter.
Yeah.
Okay then. day.
That photo on my Instagram is much likes than it's meant to.
Try and do like a family photo.
Oh, perfect weekend. Thank you very much.
Lovely time.
Homeward bound.